Hi everyone, I'm Amanda L, and today we're doing a super short flow for energetic cleansing and just to hit the reset button. So no matter what time of day or what you have going on, if you're looking to just reset in a short period of time, this is the class for you. So whenever you're ready, grab your mat, and we're going to get started right away, standing at the top. Coming to the top of the mat, closing your eyes, feeling your feet firmly pressing down into the ground. And just scrunching your toes up into your mat just to feel yourself connecting even deeper into this place. Taking a big inhale, arms reach out and up. Exhale, clearing the air around you as you release them wide and down. Twice more just like that. Arms lift high. Exhale, pressing the air away, cleansing it around your space. One more time, big inhale. Cleansing, exhale. Taking a big inhale, arms reach high. From here, gathering up anything that you're looking to let go of. So gathering it up here just for a moment, thinking about it, feeling it, truly feeling into that feeling, that space. Taking another big inhale. And on the exhale, just folding and throwing it behind you. We'll do that a couple more times. Big inhale, arms reach high, gathering up whatever that thing is. Exhale, fold, throw it away, and release. Let's do two more. Big inhale, gather it up. Feel it, hold it in your palms, your hands, and exhale, release. One more time, super big inhale, gathering it up. And clearing it out. Coming down onto all fours. Rolling through some cat-cows, making these your own, just getting that energy off of you. So just wagging it off. Maybe you lift a hand and you just shake it. Shaking that energy off. And then you can do the other hand. Moving through your spine as you do so. Just wiggling it out. Maybe take a leg, shaking your leg. And the opposite leg. Wiggling through the spine. Sitting back on your heels. Palms face up. Palms face up in this mode of receptivity. Taking a moment of silence and stillness to notice what you're receiving. And then coming onto your back. Knees in towards your chest, gentle rock side to side, just feeling yourself grounding even deeper into this moment, into this place, letting everything else fall away. Finding a twist towards the left, taking a twist of your choice. Closing your eyes, going in. Deepening your breath. Imagine you're wringing out a dirty towel or something like that. And each breath wrings you out a little more, cleansing your energy. Coming up and over to the other side. Finding that twist. Imagining yourself as a dirty towel. And we're cleaning it out. We're wringing it out with our breath. The power of the breath. Back through center, legs long, arms long, and then just shaking them. Shaking off any residual tension, stress, anger, feelings that you're looking to get rid of. Tossing them up with each shake for 5, faster, 4, faster, 3, shake, 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 and 2, 1, releasing everything down onto the mats. Feeling the dispensing nature of the energy, the shift of it. You're welcome to stay on your back as long as you'd like. If you're looking to close with me, coming up into a nice easy seat. Eyes closed. Palms face down. Grounding you into this place. Reminding yourself of the power of a simple essence of grounding in a moment of stress or tension. Taking a big inhale, arms reach out and up, pressing your palms together. Bringing your thumbs to your chest, connecting to your heart. Big inhale up through the nose. Exhaling a hum down into that heart space. 2 more times just like that. Inhale. Closed mouth hum into your heart. One more time, big inhale. Soothe that heart. And opening your eyes whenever you're ready. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this was the reset button that you needed. If you could give this video a like and a subscribe, that would help me out so much and I would greatly appreciate it. And let me know in the comments if you have any requests for future videos. And with that, I will see you next time.